In the last video, we created the forecast plan using Plan Excel. We can summarize this detailed working to connect to any dashboards or charts. Click Summarize, select the columns you want in the summary. Also select the durations. This will create two summaries, one a high-level summary and then a second based on whatever grouping we selected. Since it is pivot table, we can play around with these columns to customize the view. We can create charts from the summary, which can be dynamic using Slicer. Let's copy to the new sheet and insert Slicer. Insert chart to have a graphical representation. Hide all these buttons. Select data, switch the rows and column. The interactive chart dynamically linked with the selection is ready. The Plan Actual Forecast template can be modified for better understanding. Hope you liked the video. Please share your comments and see you in the next video.